Holy crap, man. And that's even with my 30-cent discount for my Ralph's Rewards. $4.49. It's normally the price is like $4.79 over there. I don't know if you can see it. The diesel is freaking $4.79. I don't think it'll focus. $4.79. You can see. I don't know if the thing focuses better with my hand over it. But yeah, $4.95, $4.65. Oh man, this sucks. I figured 50 bucks would be fine, man, to put some gas in my truck. 11 gallons only. Like, I got like 36-gallon tank. It's gonna be almost like $200 to fill this truck now. Used to fill it for 80 bucks. This is freaking ridiculous. Holy crap. This is insanity. Wow, 11 gallons, 50 bucks. Freaking nuts.